Hello and good morning everyone. This is another lecture in our foundation series. This is a complete average lecture. This is the lecture which I have taught. Whatever I have taught in the SIMPLIMATH course, you will get through this lecture. So start. Guys, I am Jyotiprakash. I am an ex-development officer in LIC. I have worked there for 4 years and these are the exams that I have cleared in the past. While being a working aspirant in my first attempt, I was not a repeater in all these examinations. So let's see guys what you all will be learning in this lecture. In this lecture we'll start with the basics, then weighted average concept, change in average concept, reverse average concepts will be discussed guys. In tier 1 there are 1 to 2 questions on an average, you can say from average. See how rhyming is it. So it is all about 2 to 4 marks. It may be possible that average is being mixed with another chapter, so 2 to 4 marks is part of that thing. And in tier 2 one questions comes from this chapter, so it is 3 mark. And I hope now you understand, seeing the competition, how these 2 to 4 marks and 3 marks play crucial role in getting selected. Because when you see, for each 1 marks there are 1000 number of students, 1000 to 1500 students are there for each mark in tier 1. And in tier 2 there will be total in general 500 to 750 students in each mark. So that's how every single chapter is important. So let's understand this. Before I start, I had some announcement to make in terms of what happened with 18th Jan paper. So guys, the 18th Jan paper was completely PYQ based. So when I say it was completely PYQ based, that means what? It was completely fundamental paper. Those who had conceptual clarity, they easily solve the questions, they easily able to attempt the paper, they easily able to attempt 26 plus because of that fundamental clarity. And it's a good news till now. Once we saw the answer key, we'll understand how much questions or what are the types of questions that came from the top 100 PDF I actually shared. Plus in that mentorship group I had added another top 100, so there are 200 questions that I shared. And what I have heard from the students, that most of the questions that they are able to attempt, like 25 to 26 questions, those types came directly from that PDF. So if that's true, that means, trust me, whatever you learn from this course, from these lectures, it will work as the best possible solution for all of you. Okay, so have trust in this process and you are in the right hand. Okay, so don't worry. Now let's start with average. Okay, so what is this average? The other meaning of average is mean. Okay, in statistics also you will learn what is mean. It is the average. So what does this mean by average? Average means sum of given numbers, or you can say sum of all observations, whatever the information given, all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, so for an example, I'm saying in a school there are 5 students and each student scored 75, another 74, another 73, another 70, and the last student scored 71. Now they score out of 100. So if someone asks what is the average number scored by all those students, what you will do? Sir, I will add all those because this is the sum of all observations. Then I will divide it by number of observations. So how many number of observations are there? Sir, it is 5 students. So it will be divided by 5. Clear? Now, sir, 75 plus 74 plus 73, I will simply add it. See, first thing what we will do, sir, 7 is common, sir, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So it is 350 plus 5 4s are 9, 3s are 12, 1s are 13. So 350 plus 13 is equal to 363 divided 5. So if I solve it, sir, it will be, sir, 5 7s are 35, 1 3 there, sir, 5 2s are 10, sir, 3 there, decimal, 5 6 are 30. So sir, the average of The average score of all these students is what? The average score of all the students are 72.6. Clear? Now, we'll be using this formula only. We'll be using our concept only, because my style is to help you understand the question and solve it as naturally as possible. Okay, so that in actual examination you won't get freezed in order to finding out which is the right option or which is the right way to solve those questions. So if you solve or if you learn how to solve questions naturally, it will be easier for you. It will come to you directly. Okay, so the first question, sir, find the average of 1965 plus 1980, 1985, 2035 and 2055. Now, sir, the number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, sir, average is equal to sum of all observation, that is 1965 plus 1980 plus 1985 plus 2035 plus 2055. Clear? Divided by how many observations, sir? 5 observation. Now if I'll add it, how much I'll get? Sir, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 20. Sorry, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. So your last digit, unit digit is what, sir? Sir, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. Now understand this. We can do it in both ways. We can simply add all the things, or sir, understand this. If I am dividing this whole thing, if sir I am dividing the whole thing by 5, that means what? If I multiply some number with 5, I will get the sum of all this. Yes or no? If I multiply a number here, I will get sum of all this. For an example, if I say 15 divided by 5, what I can say, sir, if I multiply 5 with 3, I will get 15. So the result, the quotient that you are looking after, the answer that you are looking after, if you multiply that answer with 5, you will get the sum of all this. Yes or no? Yes. Now understand this. You can calculate all these things, and I will calculate as well, but I will say you the tricks here. Sir, if I am multiplying a number with 5 and 5 is a unit digit, so the number what I am multiplying, and here the sum has 0 in the unit digit, 0 in the unit digit, that means this number should have 2 or 4 or 8 as its unit digit. Yes or no? Because 5 2s are 10, so 0 will come as the unit digit. Sir, 5 4s are 20, 0 will come in the unit digit. Sir, 5 8s are 40, 0 will come in the unit digit. Yes or no, sir? So now only one option, that is 2004, has only 2 4 8. Out of this, only one number is there. So the option is, sir, option B. See, this way you can solve it quickly. But if you do not have that competence to solve this way or through unit digit, what you will do? Sir, I will simply add it. Sir, how much? Sir, 1965, 1980, 1985, 2035, 2055. Now, sir, 5 5 10, 5 15, 5 20, 5 20, 0, 2 there. Sir, 5 3 8, 8 16, 8 24, 6 32, 32, 2 here. Now 3 will come to this side. Sir, 3 9s are 12, 9s are 21, 9s are 30, 0 0, 0 here. 3 will come to this side. Sir, 2 2s are 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 10. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, the number is 10020. Clear? Now I have to divide it by 5. So, sir, 5 2s are 10. Cancel out. Sir, 0 is there. 5 zeros are 0. Cancel out. Sir, 2. 5 zeros are 0 because you can't divide it by 2. Now what is there? Sir, 2 0. Sir, 5 4s are 20. So it is cancelled out. Sir, what is the answer we got? The answer we got, sir, is 2004. And that same thing we found out in the very first go by only utilizing unit digit. That is why unit digit is most important, and that's why I started with number system, and that's why my way of doing things or learning things, the sequence is more important. See how easily you are solving all these things. That's why you need to be smart. You always need to look at the way how you can solve the question faster, how you can save some time so that you can utilize that time in tougher questions. Okay, so now next question. Sir, A bought 600 gram, 750 gram, 1.1 kg, 2.3 kg, 800 gram packs of dal from a shop. What is the average weight of the package? Understand this. Whenever you are taking the average should be calculated on same unit. That means if it is in gram, then gram should be there, or if it is in kilogram, then kilogram should be used. If it is in meter, then meter should be used. If it is in kilometer, kilometer should be used. If it is in hour is used, or if it is in seconds, seconds will be used. Clear? So they should have all the units, or all the observations should have same unit. Now first packet is 600 gram, right? Sir, second package is 750 gram. Now third package is, sir, 1.1 kg. Sir, I know 1.1 kg is equal to 1100 gram, because 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1.1 means 1 kilogram, 100 plus 1 kg, that is 1100 gram. Clear? Now, sir, 2.3 kg. Sir, I know 2.3 kg is 2300 gram. Sir, 800 gram last. Yes or no? Yes. Now understand this. How many packets are there? Sir, there are 5 packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Yes. Now, sir, if I add all the number here, it will be 0. And if I divide it by 5, then 8, 4 something should come, but it is not coming. So what I do? I have to divide everything. I have to add everything. Now, sir, 0, 5, 5, 5. Then, sir, 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 1, 12, plus 7, 19, plus 6, 25. 2 out there. Sir, 2 2s are 4 1s are 5. Clear? Now, sir, if I divide it by 5, how much I will get, sir? Sir, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 0. This is what? This is in gram. This is in gram. Now, this value, if I have to convert into kg, how much it will be? Sir, it will be 1.11 kg. So I have to find out either my option is in this figure or in this figure. Now see, in gram the option is not there, but in kg the option is there. So it is option D. So you need to check in which way the option has been given, and that way you will be solving the question. Clear? Now next. Sir, the average of 4 hours, 30 minutes and 42 seconds. Now understand this. Here it has already mentioned you have to calculate everything in seconds. So what I will do? Sir, 4 hours need to be converted into second. Sir, I know 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. I hope you know this much. Sir, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I know. Sir, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So, sir, 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60. That is 3600 second. Clear? Sir, if 1 hour is equal to 3600 second, then, sir, 4 hour is equal to 4 multiplied by 3600, that is, sir, what? 14,400 second. Yes or no? Yes. Now second, it is 30 minutes. See, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. So 30 minute is equal to what? 30 into 60 second. That is equal to what? Sir, that is equal to 1800 second. Clear? Now the last part, sir, it is 42 second. Sir, it is 42 seconds. Now understand this. If you add all this, last 2 digit is what? 42. Now how many observations are there? 3 observations are there. So if I divide it, see what I will get. If I divide 42 by 3, the last 2 digit is what? Sir, 14. Here in the options, which option has 14 there? Sir, option C has 14 there. So the answer is 14. Or if you can simply add everything and you can find out the answer. Clear? Now, sir, the average of 3 numbers is 154. What is saying? Sir, for an example, A is a number, B is a number, C is a number. So, sir, A plus B plus C divided by 3. Average means sum of all the observation divided by the number of observation is equal to, sir, 154. Clear? First thing. Now, second thing. Sir, the first number is twice of the second. Sir, the second number is twice of the third. That means what? Sir, if C is equal to X, B is what? Sir, twice of C. That means, sir, 2 into x, that is 2x. Clear? Now, sir, it is said, sir, first number is twice of the second. So, sir, A is equal to what? 2 into B. Sir, B is 2x. So, A is 2 into 2x, that is equal to 4x. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now understand this. Here it is given A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to 154. Now, in place of A, I can write 4x plus in place of B, I can write 2x, and in place of C, I can write x divided by 3 is equal to 154. Yes or no? Now, sir, 4x plus 2x, 7x plus x is equal to 7x is equal to 154 multiply by 3. Now, sir, x will be what? 154 multiply by 3 divided by 2. Yes or no? Now, sir, 2 7s are 14, 1 4, 2 7s are 14. Sir, 77 into 3 is equal to, sir, 3 7s are 21. 2 out there, sir, 3 7s are 21. 2 3 1. Okay. Now, sir, x is what? Sir, 2 3 1. Sir, x is what? 2 3 1. Sir, it is asking that what is, sir, what is my first, sorry, I have made a mistake. It is not 2, it is 7. My bad. So x is equal, so x is equal to what? Sir, 154 multiplied by 3 divided by 7. Sir, 7 2s are 14. 1 4, sir, 7 2s are 14. So, sir, 22 multiplied by 3 is equal to what? 66. Now, 66 is not my answer. So, after seeing the option, you should not clicking D because it has asked what is the first number. Sir, x is equal to 66. My first number is, sir, 4x. So, it is 4 into 66, which is equal to 264. Sir, the option is option A. Now, most of the student will click option D and move to the next question, and that's how they will lose a mark. Clear? Now, next question. Sir, the average score of Lara is 44.4 runs. If he played 125 innings, understand this. Lara was a batsman. He played 125 innings. This 125 innings means what? These are the number of observations. Clear? Now, average score, average run is what? 44.4. Now understand this. What is the formula of average? Sir, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Yes or no? Now, sum of all observations can be said as total observation divided by number of observation. Total of observation divided by number of observation. Now, here it is said, sir, Lara's average score is 44.4, which is equal to total score of Lara divided by number of innings he played, that is 125. Yes or no? So, if I have to calculate total runs made by Lara, what I will do? Sir, I will directly do 44.4 multiply by 125. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, sir, this can be written as 444 divided by 10 because I am clearing out the decimal into 125. Now, if I divide it by 5, sir, 5 2s are 10. Sir, 525 is a 125. Then again, if I solve it, sir, it is 2 2 2. Clear or not? Yes, sir, clear. Now understand this. 2 2 2 multiplied by 25. 2 2 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to, you can simply calculate it. So here on each and every unit digit it is 0, right? So it will be, sir, 5 2s are 10. Sir, 5 2s are 11. Sir, 5 2s are 11. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 come out. So it is 11, that's why. Then, sir, it is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is, sir, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 1 5 0. So answer is option D. Clear? So this is how you should be doing the calculation. You need to understand the language here. Average score is given. Total number of innings, that is total number of observation, has been given. Clear? Next. Sir, total weekly emoluments, that means salary, okay, of workers of a factory is 1534. What it is saying? Sir, total salary, first part, 1534. Sir, average weekly emolument. So average salary, emolument means salary, is equal to 118. It is said the number of workers in the factory. Now understand this. If I am saying average salary of worker, what does this mean? Total salary of worker divided by total number of workers. Yes or no? Because this is a sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Now it has given average salary, sir, 118 is equal to, sir, total salary, that is 1534 divided by, sir, it is saying that total number of worker is unknown, so I will keep it as no number. Okay, now this can be written as, this will cross multiply here, sir, this can be written as number of workers is equal to 1534 divided by 118. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, first I will simplify as possible, as simple as possible. Sir, if I divide it by 2, it is a 2 7s are 14, 1 3, 2 6 are 12, 1 4, 2 7s are 14. Yes or no? Now sir, if I divide it by 2, how much I would get? Sir, 2 5s are 10, then 1 8, sir, 2 9s are, sir, 2 9s are 18. Clear? Now if I have to solve this, what I will do? Sir, 767 divided by 59. Sir, 59 ones are 59. Sir, it is 76 minus 59 is equal to 7. Then 7 will come down. Yes or no? Now, sir, 59 3. 3 9s are 27. 2 out there. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So, it's 177 minus 1770. So, what is the number of workers? Sir, the number of workers is 13. So the answer to this question is option C. Why I could not use the unit digit concept? Because there is nothing over here. See, 8 multiplied by 8 will get me unit digit 4. But there is no such options available there. That's why I did not use unit digit concept over here. Clear? Now, next question. Sir, there are 3 positive numbers. 1/3 of average, see, understand the language. 1/3 of the average of all the 3 numbers is 8 less than value of the largest number. Clear? The average of the lowest and the second lowest is 8. Now see, understand, after seeing this question you will see what sort of question is this, sir. This is very critical, but let me tell you this. Sir, for an example, 3 numbers are there, A, B, C. C is greater than B, B is greater than A. So C is the highest number, B is the middle number, and A is the lowest number. Clear? 3 positive numbers. What it is saying? 1/3 of average of all. 1/3 of average. So for average of all these 3 numbers will be what, sir? A plus B plus C by 3. Clear? Now what it is saying? 1/3 of this. That means 1/3 of. That means 1/3 of. 1/3 of this number is equal to what? Sir, 8 less than the value of the largest number. Sir, the largest number is what, sir? C. So it is C minus 8 because it is 8 less than the largest number. Clear? Yes, sir, clear. Now in the second para, what it is saying? Sir, the average of the lowest and second lowest. Sir, this is the lowest, this is the second lowest. So the average of this, sir, A plus B divided by 2. So the average of this is what? Sir, 8. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, if A plus B by 2 is 8, this will cross multiply here. Sir, A plus B is what? 8 into 2. That is 16. Clear or not? Now, we have this information. We have this equation. Here in place of A plus B, I can write 16, right? Now, here 16 plus, in terms of A plus B, 16 plus C divided by 3 multiplied by 3, 9 is equal to what? Sir, C minus 8. Clear or not? Clear. Now, this will cross multiply here. Okay. Now, sir, 16 plus C is equal to what? 9 into C minus 8, which is equal to 9C minus 9 8 is 72. Clear or not? Clear. Now, if I solve this, sir, 9C minus C is equal to 72 plus 16. Now sir, 9c minus a is equal to 8c. 72 plus 16 is equal to 88. So sir, c is equal to 88 by 8. And if I solve it, I will get 11 is the answer. Now sir, c is what? Sir, c is the largest number. So the answer is, sir, answer is 11. Clear? Now next question. Sir, find the average of first 100 natural numbers. Now understand this. Very easy. Okay. Whatever the observation given. So what I need to do, if I have to find out average of something, I have to find out sum of all this divided by number of observations, right? So if it's given average of first 100 natural numbers, then what I will do? Sir, find out sum of 100 natural numbers divided by number of observation, that is 100. Now sir, sum of first 100 natural numbers is known as what? Sir, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes sir. Now sir, n is what mine? 100 into 100 plus 1, that is 101, divided by 2 divided by number of observation, what? Sir, 100. So sir, this can be written as 100 into 101 divided by 2 into 100. Yes. Now 100 cross out. What is remaining, sir? 101 by 2. Now if I divide it, how much I will get? Sir, 2 5s are 10. 0 will be there. 2 5s are 10. So sir, the answer is 50.5. So sir, the answer is 50.5. This is how you should solve the question. You should not be worried much about everything. Clear? Next. It is saying, sir, find out the average of first 15 odd among the natural numbers. Now, first natural number is, sir, what? Sir, 1. Second, 3. Third, 5. Then 7. You can do it this way. Then add it, or we learn from what? We learn that it is an AP. See, the difference between the odd numbers are 2. So the whole series up to 15th number will be what? So the whole series up to 15th number is same difference, that is 2. So the last term is what? Sir, the last term is first term plus n minus 1, that is number of term minus 1 into common difference. Sir, here first term is 1 plus number of term is 15 minus 1. Common difference, sir, 2. Sir, it is 1 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 2. Sir, it is 1 plus 14 into 2 is equal to 28 is equal to 29. Sir, the last term is what? Sir, the 15th term. The first 15th odd number. So the 15th term is, sir, 29. Clear? Now what it is saying? Sir, find out the average of 15 number. What I can do? Sir, average means sum of all the numbers divided by number of observations. Now you know the sum of this whole series will be, sir, 2 into first number plus n minus 1 into d multiplied by n by 2 divided by number of observation, that is 15. You can go through this way, or sir, if I remember the formula of finding out the sum of n odd numbers from our first class, I can easily solve this question. So sir, I know sum of first n odd numbers is equal to what? Sir, sum of first n odd number is equal to n square. Now how many numbers are given? Sir, 15 numbers are given. So the sum of all numbers is 15 square, that is equal to 15 into 15, which is equal to 225. Yes or no? Now sir, total number of observation, what? Sir, total number of observation is 15. Now sir, average is what? Sir, sum of all observation divided by total observation. 15 multiplied by 15 is equal to 25. So the average is 15. Clear or not? Clear. So this is the way you should be remembering how to solve such questions. Clear? Now Understand this. Okay, let me complete the first even number, then I will tell you the simplest formula through which you can calculate the odd number and even number. Now, it is saying, sir, what is the average? Sir, what is the average of first 1947 even numbers? Now understand this. Now understand this. This is a note or formula you can say. If it is asked average of first n natural numbers, the formula is, sir, n plus 1 by 2. Whatever n given, it is n plus 1 by 2. Sir, if it is asked average of first n odd natural number, or it asks first n consecutive odd number, then the answer is, sir, what? Sir, answer is n. See here, we find out it is n square and the total number, that is n. So n square by n is equal to n. So the find the average of n odd numbers or the first n consecutive odd number will be always n. Then the third formula. So sir, whenever it asks average of first n consecutive even natural number, the answer is, sir, the answer is n plus 1. Clear or not? Now, sir, it has asked what is the average of first 1947 even numbers. So the average is, sir, 1947, because n is 1947 plus 1, that is 1948. And you won't believe it, in 18th January examination, the question was find the average of first 91 even numbers, and the answer was 90 plus 1, that is 92. See, it is always about the fundamental clarity. It is always what? The fundamental clarity. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Now, whenever I say you believe in the fundamental clarity, that means, see how these questions are being solved. You need to learn simple things and understand how to utilize that. Now, sir, the mean of 15 different natural number is 13. Clear? Sir, the mean of 15 different natural number is 13. The maximum value of the second largest of this number is what? Now understand this. If 15 natural numbers are there and their average, mean means their average is 13. So the total value is what? Sir, 15 into 13, because we know average value is equal to what? Sum of total value, or sum or total value divided by number of observation. Yes or no? So if I have to say what is the sum or total, I can do what? Sir, the average value multiplied by number of observation. Yes or no? Yes. So here number of observation is 15, because there are 15 natural numbers, into 13 the average number, which is equal to what, sir? 195. Now it is saying that it is 195. Clear? Clear or not? Now understand this. Understand this very, very carefully. Here it is asking what is the maximum value of second largest of these numbers. That means what? For an example, you start with 1, 2, 3, you go on like that. So the second largest number, if I tell 14 plus 15, 14th number, 40th number is my what? Second largest number. Sir, here it is asking, sir, find the average of even numbers. Find the average of even numbers from 1 to 100. That means what? Even numbers which are within 1 to 100, we have to take the sum of all those values divided by 2. Now understand this. Whenever it say, note, sir, whenever it say find average of even numbers from 1 to n, the average will be, sir, last even number plus 2 divided by 2. Or if it say find the average of, if it say find the average of odd number from 1 to n, then what will do? Sir, last odd number plus 1 divided by 2. In terms of even, we are adding plus 2 divided by 2. In terms of odd, we are adding plus 1. Now here, sir, here it has asked what is the sum of all average of all the even numbers from 1 to 100. Now, sir, what is the last even number? Sir, 100 is the last even number. So the average is, sir, 100 plus 2, because last even number plus 2 divided by 2. So it is what? Sir, it is 102 divided by 2. Sir, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So the average is 51. Clear? Sir, if in this case it has asked about the odd numbers, what I would have done? Sir, 100 is the even. Sir, 99 is the last odd number. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So the last odd number 99 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 100 and by 2. So 100 and by 2 is known as 50. So the average of odd numbers from 1 to 100 is what? Sir, 50. So this is how you should be solving the question. This is very basic. And in the, see, my team members are now free in terms of their examination. So I will be creating the formula book, and which will help you revise all these things easily. Now, next. Sir, the average of first n consecutive numbers is 20. Sir, the smallest of these numbers are what? See, in the last class as well, what I told you, if it has asked about finding out the consecutive numbers, what you can do, sir, you can always write, for an example, the numbers are x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 1, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. Now you will say, sir, why you are taking from this? How come you know this? See, what are the, how many numbers are there? 9 numbers are there. X should be my middle number. So how many numbers are left? 8. So in the left hand side it will go to minus 4. In the right hand side it will go to plus 4. For an example, if it is 8, then it is completely divided by 2. So in the minus side it will go to 4. In the plus side it will go to 4. That's all. I do not need anything else. Clear? So this is how you should be figuring out the consecutive numbers. Clear? Now, sir, it is saying the average of all this is 20. That means if I add all this and if I divide 9, because there are 9 numbers, so if I add all this and if I divide it by 9, my average will be what? 20. Yes or no? Now, sir, minus 4 plus 4 cross out, sir, plus 3, minus 3 cross out, sir, minus 2, plus 2 cross out, sir, plus 1, minus 1 cross out. What is remaining? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sir, 9x is there in the top, divided by 9 is equal to 20. Sir, 9 cross out. Sir, x is equal to what? 20. But, sir, here the smallest one is x minus 4. So, sir, x minus 4 will be 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16. So the answer is, sir, option C, that is 16. Clear? Now, next. Sir, the sum of 7 consecutive even numbers of a set. See, when it is an even number, the first thing what I have told you, the first thing is to understand that if it is written as an even number, your even number should be like this. Sir, if x is an even number, the next even number is, sir, x plus 2. Same in the left side it will be, sir, x minus 2. Sir, the next even number will be, sir, x plus 4. Here the next even number will be, sir, x minus 4. Here the even number will be, sir, x plus 6, because it has asked about 7 consecutive even numbers. So in this side there will be 3, in this side there will be 3. So it is x minus 6. Now, these consecutive even numbers, their sum is equal to what, sir? 532. So if I add x minus 6, x plus 4, x minus 2 plus, what will happen? Minus 6, minus 4 plus 6, all these things will cancel out. So what will remain? Sir, x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x, that is 7x, which is equal to what, sir? 532. Okay. That means, sir, x is equal to what? Sir, 532 divided by 7. So this can be written as, sir, 7 7s are 49, 4 2, sir, 7 6 are 42. Sir, this x, the value of this x is, sir, 76. Now it is asking, sir, what is the average of first 4 consecutive even numbers? That means it is asking the average of x minus 6, x minus 4, x minus 2 and x. Clear? Now, sir, we know x is equal to 76. So, sir, x minus 4 is 74. Sir, x minus 4 is 72. Sir, x minus 6 is 70. Clear? Now, what is the average of this? Sir, I have to add all this. Yes or no? Yes. And how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. Clear? Now, sir, unit digit is what? Sir, 2 4s are 6, 6 6s are 12. So, it is 2 by 4. Sir, I know 4 into 3. If I multiply 4 into 3, I will get unit digit 2. So here, sir, the answer option should have 3 as the unit digit. So here only one option has 3 as the unit digit, that is 73. You can solve it this way or you can solve it. Sir, 6 4s are 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 2 here, 1 will be out. Sir, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 22 plus 7 is equal to 292. Yes or no? Now, sir, 4 divided by 292. Sir, 4 7s are 28. 1 2. Sir, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is, sir, 73. Clear or not? Clear? So this is how you can solve the question. See, this is the crux. Writing out this. And these are the questions that has been asked in SSC CGL and RRB NTPC questions, examinations. Clear? Now, the next question. Sir, the average of a set of 18 consecutive integer. See, the same way. 18 means what? 18 means, sir, here that will be 9 and here it will be 9. Yes or no? Yes, sir. But we need to understand. Where to start and where to end, because that is the whole idea. That is the whole idea about solving everything. So now you do not see, if the middle thing is solved, you could have solved easily. Here the middle thing is not resolved, so you can directly start from, sir, x is the first number, second number is x plus 1, because these are consecutive integers. So after this, x plus 2, then x plus 3, so on till what? Sir, x plus 17, because already one term is written, so it will go till x plus 17. Yes or no? Then you will add all these things. Divided by 18 is equal to what? Sir, 22.5. Then if you solve it, you will get the answer. So let's solve it. Sir, here it is written x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 up to x plus 7. So how many x are there? Sir, there are 1, 2, 3. So here x plus 1, that means 1x, 2x, 3x up to 17x plus this x, that is equal to 18x. How? See, x plus 1, this is one term. X plus 2, this is another term. X plus 3, another term. Likewise, x plus 7, how many terms? 17 terms. Plus here 1x is there. So total x, 18x plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to what? 17. Divided by 18 is equal to the average, that is 22.5. Now this can be written 18x is equal to what? 18x plus this amount is equal to what? 18 into 22.5. Yes or no? Yes. Now understand this. Sir, sum of 1 to 17 consecutive numbers is equal to 17 into 17 plus 1 n into n plus 1 by 2. Sir, it can be written as 17 into 17 plus 1 18 by 2, or it can be written as 9 2 9s are 18, 17 into 9. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, sir, I know 17 into 9 is equal to 153. So I can write 18x plus 153 is equal to what? 18 into 22.5.
Now sir, 22.5 multiplied by 18. If I solve it, how much I will get? Sir, 25, 18, 200. 2 is 16, 2, 18, 2, 2, 5. Sir, it is 0, 5, 8, 2 is 10, 2, 1 is 3, and 4. So it can be written as an 1 decimal is there, so 1 0 will cross out. So it is 405. Now sir, 18x is equal to 405 minus 153. Sir, the value is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Sir, 18x is equal to 252. Sir, x is equal to what? 252 divided by 18. Sir, 18 ones are 18, 7 2, 18 fours are 72. Sir, here x is what? Sir, 14. Sir, it is asking about the largest number. Sir, largest number is x plus 17. So it is x plus 17, which is equal to 14 plus 17, which is equal to 31. So the answer is, sir, option C. Clear or not? Clear? This is how you can solve the questions. It is not that tough. It is not that tough. Okay. See, in average, whatever the question you will get, these questions will be like this or like this questions. Find the average of 9 consecutive numbers or even number up to this. So this is how you'll be getting the questions. Okay. Sir, the average of 8 consecutive odd numbers is 48. What it is saying? Sir, the average of 8 consecutive odd numbers. Now understand this, and you need to have such clarity while solving such questions is that whenever it is asked odd number or even number, whenever it is asked odd number or even number, the most important part is what you are considering as the odd number. Okay, so for an example, if I say 1 is my odd number, what is the next odd number? Sir, 1 plus 2, that is 3, because 3 is the next, then 5 is the next, then 7 is the next. So if I take, sir, x is my odd number, x is my odd number, then the next odd number will be, sir, what? X plus 2, then x plus 4, then x plus 6, then x plus 8, then x plus 8. In the left side it can be written as, sir, x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus c. That's how I have 8 consecutive odd numbers. Yes or no? It is saying the average of this is 48. That means if I add those and if I divide it by 8, because there are 8 numbers, the average will be, sir, what? 48. Clear? Now, sir, minus 6 plus 6 cross out. Sir, minus 4 plus 4 cross out. Sir, minus 2, because minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So that's why I'm saying it is crossing out each other. So how many x are there, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means 8x plus 8 is remaining. Divided by 8 is equal to what, sir? 48. Now, sir, if I take 8 in the common, it is what, sir? X plus 1. If I take 8 over here, divided by 8, which is equal to what, sir? 80, 48. Sir, 8 cross out. So x plus 1 is equal to 48. Sir, x is equal to 48 minus 1, that is equal to 47. Now, it is asking find the sum of fifth and seventh number. Now understand this. This is first number, this is second number, this is third number, this is fourth number, this is fifth number, this is sixth number, this is seventh number. Sir, fifth number is what? Sir, x plus 2. That means 47 plus 2, that is 49. Sir, seventh number is what? Sir, x plus 6. That is 47 plus 6. That is equal to 53. Sir, the sum of this is what? Sir, 9 3s are 12, 1 there, 5 4s are 9 plus 10. So it is 102 is the answer. See, here the question is not that tough, but it has asked you to calculate two things. First, the sum you have to calculate, then you have to find out the numbers, and then you have to take out their sum. So this is how the question can get lengthy, but the concepts are that. See, in actual examination also you will be getting such questions. Concepts are easy to understand, concepts are easy to comprehend, but the problem will lie in solving it, having that fundamental clarity. Okay, next question. Sir, find the average of sir, find the average of 91, 93, 95 up to 109. Whenever you will have a series like this which has a common difference, you will simply do what? Sir, last term plus first term divided by 2 is equal to what, sir? Average of the series. Sir, here last term is what, sir? 109 plus first term is what, sir? 91 divided by 2, that is equal to 109 plus 91 is equal to 200 by 2 is equal to 100. Sir, here the answer is 100. If it is in series, then only you will be utilizing this formula. Otherwise you won't. Clear? Now, sir, find the average of first 25 multiple of 5. Now understand this. Multiple of 5 means what, sir? 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3. How many multiples? 25 multiples. So it can be written as like this. Now, sir, what is the average? That means I have to add all these things. Yes or no? Then divided by total number 25. Now, in each case as 5 is there, so I will take 5 common. So it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 25 divided by 25. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, the sum of numbers 1 to 25 can be written as 5 into 25 into 25 plus 1, that is 26 divided by 2 divided by 5. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, this thing can be written as 5 into 25 into 26 divided by 2 into 25. Now, sir, 25 cross out. Sir, 2 13s are 26. So the number is for 5 into 13, that is 65. See, this is the simplest possible way you can calculate. Or the formula is, if it asks average of first n multiple of a number x, any number, and it is asking about average of first n multiples, then sir, average is equal to x into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula. Now let's solve this question through formula. Sir, here first n multiple, that is n is equal to what, sir? 25. So it is 25 plus 1 multiplied by of a number x. Number is what, sir? 5 divided by 2. So 25 plus 1 is equal to 26 into 5 divided by 2. So 2 13s are 26. 13 into 5 is equal to 65. See how easily we solve the question. So whenever it asks, whenever it say find out the average of 25 multiples of 5, then we'll be using this formula, that is x into that number into n plus 1 divided by 2. See, this is the small tricks, and these are the questions that may be seen in RRB NTPC. That's why these things are more important. Now, here it is asking, sir, if the average of 5 observations A, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 is n. What it is saying? The average of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 divided by how many observations? 5 observations are there. This is equal to what, sir? This is equal to n. Okay. Then what will be the average of 5 new observations? That is A1 minus 100, A2 minus 100 will be. Now understand this. Sir, if it is written this equal to this, then I can write, sir, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 5 into n, or I can write 5n. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now here it is asking the average of this. So I am writing this, sir, A1 minus 100 plus A2 minus 100 plus A3 minus 100 plus A4 minus 100 plus A5 minus 100 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be what? Sir, this can be written as 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Sir, this can be written as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 minus 500? Yes or no? I just simply added all the hundreds divided by 5. Sir, I know A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 is equal to 5n. So, sir, I can write in this place 5n minus 500 by 5. Now what I can do, sir? I can take out 5 common. Sir, it will be n minus, if I take 5 out of 500, it will be, sir, 100, because 100 into 5 is equal to 500. Now divided by 5. Sir, 5 will cross out. So the answer is, sir, n minus 100. N minus 100. Clear? Yes. Now you need to remember two theories. Okay. So what are those theories? Note down. Sir, if average of A, B, C or whatever number is given is n, then average of A minus x, B minus x, C minus x, how many numbers are there? D, E, F, 100 numbers are there, will be average, that is n minus x. If it is written like this, average of A, B, C is n, then average of A plus x, B plus x, C plus x, so on is equal to n plus x. Remember this formula or remember this theory. It will help you solve questions faster. It will help you solve questions really fast. Now, sir, average of 7 number is 9 if each number is multiplied by p. For an example, 7 numbers are there: A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Now, the sum of all these numbers divided by the number 7 is equal to what, sir? 9. Now, all numbers are multiplied by p. That means each number is what, sir? P into A plus P into B plus P into C plus P into D plus P into A plus P into F plus P into G divided by 7, because I am taking out the 7 average, which is equal to what, sir? The average is 36 now. 36. Now, here P is common in all the numbers, so I'll take out P as common. I can write, sir, P into A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G divided by 7 is equal to 36. Now see, this expression was what? 9. So in place of this expression, I can write what? Sir, I can write P into 9 is equal to what? Sir, 36. So sir, P is equal to what? 36 by 9, that is 4. Yes or no? Yes. So understand this. Here the note. If A, B, C, D are the numbers, okay, if average of these things is equal to n, then average of AX, BX, CX means C into X, is equal to what, sir? N into X. Clear or not? Yes, sir, clear. If the average of this is n, then average of A by X, B by X, C by X is equal to what? N by X. Clear? So this is how you should remember how to solve the average question. Clear? Next. Sir, the average of 59, 63, 68, 77, 64, 73 is, what is the average when each number is divided by 23? Now what is saying? What I have told you in the beginning. Sir, if average of A, B, C, D is n, average of this thing will be n by x. So what I will do? Sir, I will find the average of first 59, 63, 68, 77, 74 plus 73. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now sum. Sir, 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 7, 14 plus 8, 22 plus 3, 25 plus 9 is equal to 34. 3 out. Sir, 3, 7, 10, 7, 17, 24, 30, 36, 5, 4, 1, 4 divided by 6. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now this can be solved. Sir, I know, sir, 6 7 ja 42. So it is, sir, 6 6 ja. 6 9s are 54. Clear? Yes sir, clear. Now 69 is what? Average of all this. So if I have to find out average of number 59 by 23 plus 63 by 23 plus 68 by 23 plus 77 by 23 plus 74 by 23 plus 73 by 23 divided by 6, what it will be? Sir, it will be simply 69 by 23 because it is n by x. So sir, 69 by 23 is equal to 3. So the answer is option C. Clear? This is how you can solve the question, and this type of question you will mostly see. You will mostly see in what? You will mostly see RRB NTPC examination. Remember this. Now, sir, what is the average of squares of first and natural numbers? Now, remember this again. If whatever is given, first we need to find out the sum. Sir, sum of squares of n natural number is what, sir? Sir, it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, it is asking that average of this, that means this number should be divided because this is the sum divided by the total number. So n cross out. So the average of square of n natural number is what? Sir, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Yes or no? Now here, sir, it is asking the sum of average of 10 natural numbers. That means, sir, 10 plus 1 multiplied by 2 into 10 plus 1 divided by 6. So 10 plus 1 11, 2 into 10 20 plus 1 21 divided by 6. Sir, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Sir, 11 into 7 is equal to 77 by 2, and this, if this is solved, it will 38.5. Clear? So the answer is option C. This is how you can solve the question. The whole crux is in finding the sum, and the formula of sum is known to us. Now, after knowing the sum, we need to divide the numbers given, and we find out the formula for average. Clear? This way, if cube is also asked, you can find out the answer. So this is not something like, you can say, a rocket science. It's not that. It is quite easy. Now, sir, find the average of cubes. Now understand this. Sum of average, sum of first n cube of first n natural numbers is what, sir? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now this can be written as, sir, n square into n plus 1 whole square divided by 2 square, that is 2 square, that is 4. So this can be written as n square into n plus 1 square divided by 4. Yes or no? Now if I have to say finding average of this, then average of cube of n natural numbers will be, sir, what? Sir, the sum, that is n square into n plus 1 square divided by 4 divided by total number of observation, that is n. Now n will cross 1 n here, so it is n into n plus 1 square divided by 4. So the formula of finding average of first n cube of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 square by 4. Now understand this. Here n is what, sir? First 5 natural numbers. So the answer is, sir, 5 into 5 plus 1 square divided by 4. Sir, this is 5 into 6 square divided by 4. Sir, 6 square is known as 36 divided by 4. Sir, we know 4 9s are 36. So the answer is, sir, 5 into 9, that is 45. Sir, the answer is option C. So this is how you can calculate the cubes also. You can calculate the cubes also. Okay. Now next. Sir, the monthly average income of P and Q is 20,000. What it is saying? Average income of P and Q. That means what? Income of P plus income of Q divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now what is this? This is equal to 20,000, which is what? Income of P plus income of Q divided by 2. So this will multiply here. So sir, income of P plus income of Q is equal to what, sir? 2 into 20,000, that is equal to 40,000. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, it is saying the average monthly income of Q and R is equal to what, sir? 40,000. Is equal to, sir, 40,000. Then sir, R's monthly income is how much more than P? Now understand this. Average of Q and R means what? Income of Q plus income of R divided by 2. Sir, here average is given 40,000, which is equal to income of Q plus income of R divided by 2. Why I have written in? It means income. It's a short form I tried here. Okay. Now this will be multiply here. So sir, income of Q plus income of R is equal to what? 80,000. Now understand this. Here income of Q plus R is 80,000. Here income of P plus Q is 40,000. If I deduct this from this, so if I say, if I deduct income of Q plus income of R 80,000 minus income of P minus income of Q, because in minus both the sign will be minus 40,000. So QQ will cross out. It will be, sir, income of R minus income of P is equal to 80,000 minus 40,000, that is equal to 40,000. So the difference between income of R or income of P, or the same thing, it says the income of R is 40,000 more than income of B, because this can be written as income of R is equal to 40,000 plus income of P. That means what? Income of R is 40,000 more than income of P. If income of P is X, income of R is 40,000 into X. So the answer is option C. Clear? See, here the thing is in the language. R's monthly income is how much more than P's monthly income. That is the whole crux here. Clear? Next. Sir, there are 4 numbers in a set. The mean means the average of the 3 smallest number is 9. Whereas the mean of the 3 largest one is 11. Understand this. A, B, C, D are the numbers. This is the smallest. This is the greater than A. This is greater than C. This is greater than D. Now what it is saying? The 3 smallest number. That means these are the 3 smallest number. So it is saying the average of these 3 smallest number is what? 9. So sir, A plus B plus C will be at, sir, 3 into 9. That is equal to 27. Now second thing, it is saying whereas the mean of 3 largest one, that is B plus C plus D. So the largest one is B plus C plus D divided by 3 is equal to what, sir? 11. So sir, B plus C plus D is equal to what? 3 into 11. That is equal to 33. Yes or no? So it is asking, sir, find the range of the data. Range means what? Sir, if I deduct both B plus C plus D minus A plus B plus C, what will happen? B, C will cross out. So it will be D minus A. So D minus A is what? Largest minus smallest. So range is what? This is a statistics concept, but remember this. Largest value minus smallest value. So here, sir, D minus A is equal to what? Sir, 33 minus 27, that is 6. So the answer is option A. Range means how distributive is this whole thing? What is the difference between the both ends, the smaller end and the larger end? Clear? Next. Sir, the average age of Sumit, Krishna and Rishabh is 43 years. The average age of Sumit, Rishabh and Rohit is 49 years. If Rohit is 54 years old, what is Krishna's age? Understand this. Sir, Sumit plus Krishna plus Rishabh divided by 3 is 43, because this is the average. Now sir, Sumit plus Krishna plus Rishabh is equal to what, sir? 43 into 3. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So the age of Sumit plus Krishna plus Rishabh is equal to 129. And in the second part, it is saying, sir, the age of Sumit plus Rishabh plus Rohit. The average is what? Is equal to 49. So I can write, sir, Sumit plus Rishabh plus Rohit is equal to 49 into 3. That is, sir, 3 9s are 27, 7 out there, 2 out there, 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. Now understand this. Here Sumit plus Krishna plus Rishabh is equal to 129. Here Sumit plus Rishabh plus Rohit is equal to what? Sir, 147. So if I deduct both, what will happen? Or what I can do, sir, it is given Rohit is 54 years old. That means, sir, Sumit plus Rishabh plus 54 is equal to what? 147. Now, sir, Sumit plus Rishabh is equal to what, sir? 147 minus 54, which is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So the value of, or the age of Sumit plus Rishabh is what, sir? 93. So here, sir, it is given Sumit plus Krishna plus Rishabh is equal to 129. But we got to know, sir, Sumit plus Rishabh is 93. So in place of both, I will use what? 93 plus Krishna's age is equal to 129. So, sir, Krishna's age is equal to 129 minus 93. That is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So the answer is option C, 36 years old. Clear? This is how you can solve a complex problem by writing it down into smaller parts. What I did, first we took the first instruction, the average age of Sumit, Krishna and Rishabh 43 years. We find out the what is the total age of those. Then in the second part we find out the average age of Sumit, Rishabh and Rohit is 49 years. So we find out the age of Sumit, Rohit and Rishabh is 147. Then Rohit age is given. So in place of Rohit age, I use the value 54. Then I simply solve the whole thing. Clear? So in terms of language, it may seem a bit confusing, but if you go through the smart approach, you will be able to solve the question. Sir, the average income of 20% is 4,000. If average of 20% is 4,000, total income is what, sir? Sir, 4,000 multiplied by 20, because average into number of observation, which is equal to 80,000. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, that of another 25 members is 2,500. So another 25 members, average is 2,500. So the total average is what, sir? 25 into 2,500, which can be written as 62500. So it is 62,500. So it is asking now what is the average of the whole group. That means what is the average of this 45 people. Now understand. In order to finding the average, what I need to do, I need to find out the total of this. So this is 500, 2, 8, 6 are 14. So the total income is what? 1,42,500. How many persons are there? 45 individuals are there. So if I solve this, I will find the answer. How? Sir, 5 9s are 45. Sir, 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 0 0. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, both things can be divided by 3. Sir, 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 3 5s are 15. 0 0. Now again this thing can be written as, sir, 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 1. 2 0. Sir, 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18. So the option or the answer to this whole question will be 3166.66. 3166.66. See why I did not solve the whole question. First thing, the only reason I did not solve the whole question is that you understand 45 is equal to what? 5 into 9. Now 5 can divide both these things because 0 0 is there, but 9 cannot divide the whole thing because 1 plus 4 5 plus 2 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So it is not divisible by 5. That's why I could not use the unit digit thing over here. That's why I had to take the regular method of solving the whole thing. Clear? Sir, the average run given by 5 matches by a bowler is 45. So in 5 match over, average run given is what? 45. So total run given is what? 45 into 5 is equal to 225. So this is the total run given by the bowler in 5 matches. This is match. Clear? Now average of 15.75 runs in another 4 matches. So in 4 matches another average run was what? 15.75. So total run given is what? Sir, 15.75, because average multiply by the number of observation will get us the number. Now sir, 75 multiplied by 5 is multiplied by 4 is equal to what? Sir, 300. 15 into 4 is equal to what? 60. So this is 63. Clear? If you do the calculation, you will get it clear. Now it is saying what is the average of the all 9 matches. See, in the first 5 matches, what was the score? 2-5. In the last 4 matches, what was the score? 63. So sir, the total score is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 22 plus 6 is equal to 288. Divided by total number of match, that is 9. Sir, this is 9 3s are 27, 1 8 9 2s are 18. So the average run given by this bowler in each match is what? Sir, 32. Clear? What I did? First I find out the total run given in the first 5 matches, then total run given in the last 4 matches, then I added the both runs and I divided it by total number of matches played by that bowler. Clear? Next. Sir, the average of marks obtained by 7 students in an examination was 75. 7 student, average mark 75. Total score was 75 into 7. That is equal to 7 5s are 35, 7 7 49 plus 3 5 2 5. Now 11 and that of other students is 87. So other 11 students average score 87. So total score is what? Sir, 87 into 11. That is equal to, sir, 957. Yes or no? Yes. Now sir, it is asking average of 18 students. That means what? The total of 18 students divided by 18. Sir, 7 5s are 12, 5 2s are 7 plus 8, 1 8, 9 5s are 14. Divided by what? Sir, divided by 11 7s are 18. Clear? Yes sir, clear. Now sir, from the very beginning we know this is 18. Okay sir, 18 8s are 64. So 18 8s are 144. So what is remaining? 4 2. Now sir, 18 3s are 54. So the next number will be 18 2s are 36. So my number will be somewhat 82 point something. Here the only option has 82, that is option C. So the answer is, sir, option C. Clear? Okay. See, you do not have to solve each and everything. You just need to look at the options as well. That is how you will be getting the clue whether to proceed or not. Now, sir, a library has an average of 480 visitors on Sunday, 222 on other days. Other days means what? Monday to Saturday. The average numbers of visitors per day in the month of 30 days starting from Sunday. Now you need to understand this. If a month is starting from Sunday, that means first day is Sunday, second Monday, third Tuesday, fourth Wednesday, fifth Thursday, sixth Friday, and seventh what? Saturday. Then again the next week 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, then again 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, then again 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 28 and 29 30. So this is how the whole week will be repeated. So if in the 7th day it is what? Saturday. So 29th is what? Sunday. 30 is what? Monday. Clear? So first understand this. How many weeks are there? Sir, first week, second week, third week, fourth week. So how many Sunday first? 4 Sunday plus 1 Sunday. How many Sundays? Sir, 5 Sundays are there in this month. Now apart from 5, how many days are left? Sir, 30 minus 5, that is 25 other days. Yes or no? Now understand. It is saying on each day or each Sunday, How many visitors are there? 480. So on 5 Sunday, how many total visitors there? 5 into 480. That is equal to 2400. Now on each other days apart from Sunday, how many visitors there on an average? 222. 222. So the total number of visitors is what? Sir, 5 2s are 10. 1 there, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 1 there, 5 2s are 10, 11. Sir, 4, 4, 4. So this can be written as 0, 5, 5, 0. So the total number of visitor in other 25 days is 5550. Now sir, the total number of visitor is equal to what? Sir, 50, 549, 527. This much of visitors, 7950 visitors visited this library in how many days? Sir, 30 days. 0, 0 will cross out. Sir, 3 2s are 6, 1 9, sir, 3 6 are 18, 1 5, sir, 3 5s are 15. So the average number of visitors are what? Sir, 265. Sir, 265. The crux lies here. Finding out how many Sundays are there and how many other days are there. As it has written, the total number of days are in this month is 30 and the day or the month is starting from Sunday. So my first day of the month starts from Sunday. So my 7th day is Saturday. Same here. It will be Sunday. 14th will be Saturday. Here 15th will be Sunday and 21st will be Saturday. Here 22 will be Sunday. 28th will be Saturday. Clear or not? Clear? So that's how we find the logic that there are 5 Sundays in this month and there are 25 other days. And we find out the total number of visitors in those days. Clear? Next. Sir, average weight of 8 coins of gold is 20 gram per coin. See, each coin 20 gram. 8 coins are there. Total weight what? Sir, 20 into 8, that is 160 gram. Now it is saying the average weight of 12 coins of silver is 35. So each silver 35 gram. How many coins are there? 12. So the answer is, sir, 12 into 35, that is 420 gram. Now it is asking what is the total average of this 820. Total coins 20. So what I will do first, I will add the total weight 0, 6 to 8, 4 plus 1, 5. Yes or no? Now 0, 0 will cross out. So 20 coins are there. Total weight is 580 gram. So each or the average weight is 580 by 20, 0, 0 cross out. 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29 gram. So the average weight of each coin or the average weight of 20 coins is what? 29 gram. Clear? This is how you can calculate the whole thing. You just need to understand the instructions given and need to bifurcate it. Okay? Sir, the average age of 30 students is 20 years. It is saying 30 students are there. Each is 20 year. So the total age is 30 into 20. That is equal to 600. Now, average age of 20 other students. 20 other students. Average age is 30 year. So total age is 20 into 30, which is also equal to 600. Now it is asking average age of total student, that is 30 plus 20, 50 students, which will be total age, that is 600 plus 600 is equal to 1200. So 50 students, total is 1200. So average is what? Sir, 1200 divided by 50. 0, 0 cross out. Sir, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. So the average age of students are 24 years. Clear? Quite easy, and you will see questions like this only, and in the next class I will up the questions a bit, so you will be able to understand the whole idea about average and you will be able to solve each and every types of questions from algebra average. Now this is a very interesting question. Understand this. Sir, a family consists of 2 grandparents. See, you need to write down these instructions. Sir, 2 grandparents are there, 4 parents are there. Sir, 4 parents are there, 6 grandchildren are there. Sir, 6 grandchildren are there. The average age of grandparents is 70. So 2 grandparents, total age is, sir, 2 into 70, that is 150, 140. Sir, the parents age is 40 years. So 4 parents, each parent of 40 years, that is equal to, sir, 160. That of grandchildren is 12 years. So each grandchildren 12 years. How many grandchildren are there? 6. So the total age is 12 into 6 is equal to 72. So now total age is what? 2, 6, 7, 13 plus 4, 17, 7, 1 there, 3, 7, 2. How many numbers of what I say members are there? 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. So 12 members total age is 372. So average age is what, sir? 372 divided by 12. So 12 3s are 36, 1 2, 12 1s are 12. So the average age of this family is 31 year. Option D. See, here you need to understand the given instructions. Once you understand this question is quite silly. Okay? Next. Sir, average marks of 3 batches. 50 students, 56 students, 44 students. So it is saying, sir, 50 students batch, 56 students batch, 44 students batch. These are the number of students. These are the average mark. Is what, sir? 55, 52, 40. Now understand this. What will be the total mark? Sir, total mark will be 50 into 55. That is equal to 2750. Here 56 into 55. Sir, 56 into 55 is equal to what? Is what, sir? 2 6 are 12, 1 there, 2 5 are 10, 6 5 are 30, 30 10 40, 41 1, 4 out there, 5 5 are 25 plus 4. 2 9 1 2. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, 44 into 40 is there. So it is, sir, 1760. Clear or not? Clear, sir. So here the total number is, sir, 2 6 1 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 there, 7 1 8 8 plus 9 17 plus 7 24, 2 there, 2 1 3 3 2 5 2 7. So total score is what? 7422. Total number of students is what, sir? 6 4 10, 1 out there, 4 1 5 5 10 plus 5 15. So 150 students are there. Total score 7422. So the average score is 7422 divided by 140. So 150. So if I divide 7422 by 15, what will be the answer? Sir, 15 5 is 75. So 15 5 cannot be used. Sir, it is 15 4 is 60. Now 74 minus 60 is equal to 14. 2 will be there. Sir, we know 15 8 is 120. 15 9 is 135. So it is 15 9 135. 142 minus 135 is 7. 2 will be there. Sir, again 15 5 is 75. So I cannot use 15 5. So I'll be using 15 4 is 60. Now before proceeding further, what are the numbers I'm getting? 494. So in the answer, so in the option I should be searching what? 494. So the option is option D. Clear? Now next question. Sir, a man bought 5 shirts at 450 each. Total 5 shirts, each shirt 450. So total price or total amount paid for all those shirts are 2250 rupees. Sir, he bought 4 trousers, each trouser 750. So the total amount paid 3000 rupees. Sir, he bought 12 pairs of shoes, each pairs of shoes is 750. So the total amount paid is 9000, because this is the multiplication. You can multiply and find the answer. Now it is saying what is the average expenditure? What is the average amount he paid? That means the total amount paid is what? 250, 9 3 12 plus 12 14, 14,250. Total number of things he bought 12 plus 4 16 plus 5 21. So average is what, sir? 14250 divided by 21. So what I will do, sir, 4 1s are 5 to 7, 5 12. So this is divided by 3. Sir, 3 7s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Sir, 3 5 4s are 12, 2 2. Sir, 3 7s are 21, 1 5. Sir, 3 5s are 15, 0. Now if I divide it by 7, what will happen? Sir, 7 6 are 42, 5 5. Sir, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So I'll keep it as 7 7s are 49, 60. Sir, 7 8s are 56, 40 will be there. So before proceeding, I will see if there is an option which has 6 7 8 there. Sir, here this option has 6 7 8. So my answer is option B. I do not need to calculate further. I can completely check the options and tick the answer over here. Clear?
See, Last class what we understood? Sir, we understood that if average has been asked, that means average means sum of given whatever, whether it is details, numbers, whatever it is. So I will take it sum of observations, given observations divided by number of observations, right? Now from this point we will be learning something new. What is that? Sir, for an example, it says that 10 students have 10 numbers. Okay. Now understand this carefully. 10 students have 10 numbers. 10 numbers means this is their average number. Okay. So each student is with this hypothesis, understand. That means average number is 10 for 10 students. That means each student has an average number of what? 10. Now understand this. This means each student average number is 10. Okay. Now one student with 8 number. For an example, his score was 8. Okay, 8 number. Joined this group. Then find the new average. Now you have two options. First option is you will go through the traditional method, that finding the total score here plus the score here. That means total sum of 10 marks of 10 student plus 8 mark by 1 student divided by how many students are there? 10 plus 1. That is a 10 tens a 100. 100 plus 8 is equal to 108 divided by 11. So this will be the what? This will be the average number of the new group of 11 students. Okay. Now understand this. This is one method, and this is the simplest one. And if questions are complicated, questions are not easy, you should be following this one, because it will be natural too, and you will be solving this faster without any error. Okay. But what you can do, understand this. When I say every student was having average number before the 11th student was 10. Okay. Then new student added with a score of 8. Yes or no? Yes. Now understand this. Average, when the average mark is discussed, that means what? 10 is for all. Yes or no? Yes. Now understand this. When this 8 number or the 8 marks of the student come to this class, so your understanding should be built like this. So if a smaller number is being added to the classes, then you will consider what? Average of all students, that number. First thing. So first average is 8. Now in the second step, what you will do? You will take out the difference. Difference in what? So previously 10 students are there and their average score was what? 10. So total score 100. So now if I am saying 8 is their average score, that means for each student, difference score is what? 2 into, and this difference will be seen in how many students? 10 students. That means 2 into 10, that is 20. Yes or no? So this is the difference. First we took that this is the smallest number, so this will be the base of the average. Then we understand the difference is what? Because previously it has 10, so the difference is now on each student, on each of these 10 students is 2. That is 2 into 10 is equal to total 20. Now when we are calculating the average, this 20 will be distributed on this, because average means what? Sum of all the numbers divided by number of observation. That means what? Now we have already taken the average here, 8 plus we have to taken the average of this. Now this 20 will be distributed among how many students? 11 students. How many students? 11 students. And that's how you find the average. Now, these things can be written as 8, 20 by 11. I hope you know this because this is how mixed fraction is written. Now, if I have to solve this was the traditional method, right? If I have to solve this, how would I solve? Sir, 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99. 9 out there, 11 out there, right? Now understand this. 20 by 11 is what? Sir, 20 by 11 is already mixed, already improper fraction. So what I will do? Sir, 8 is there plus 11 ones are 9. 11 ones are 11. 9 out there by 11. And if I add this, how much it will be, sir? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 11. Now see, in both cases, average is same. What we did? We distributed the difference of average. Now why I told you this? It may seem complicated now. Now understand this. Every time doing this calculation may or may not be easy. But if you understand how this distribution work, it will be a bit easier for all of you to solve the questions. But now I will show you the questions and it will be a bit easier. Okay. But this sort of distribution will be there. Why? Because we are taking out average. So you need to understand this much. Clear? Our first question. Sir, the average of 5 numbers is 18. 5 numbers, average 18. If one number is excluded, new average 16. Now understand this. New mean means average. Now 16 is average of what? 16 is average of 5 minus 1 number excluded, that is 4. So 4 numbers are having average of 16. Clear? Now what is the excluded number? So what I will do? Sir, traditional method. Sir, 5 numbers are there. Each of their average was 18. So total number of 5, those 5 numbers are what? Sir, 18 into 5, that is equal to 90. So 90 was the total value of those 5 numbers, right? Now, once one number has been excluded, what has been their new average? So new average is 16. And how many numbers are there? 4 numbers are there. So new total is what? 16 into 4, 64. See, when I excluded someone, that means his value has been taken out here. Yes or no? So if I deduct this value from this value, I will understand what is the value that has been taken out. Yes or no? Here the value of 5 numbers were added. Here the value of 4 numbers are given. So if I take the deduction, I will understand actually what is the value that has been excluded from this total, right? Now, so 90 minus 64 is equal to 10 4 is 6, 9 6, 8 6 is 2. Clear? Now, so 26 is what? 26 is the value of 26 is the value of what? So 26 is the value of the number which has been excluded. So the answer is 26. Now, this is traditional method. You can always do this, do all questions in this way. There is nothing wrong with this. But if you want to play smart or if you want to solve quickly, what will happen? See, understand this. The conceptual method. Sir, previously, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all numbers had 18, 18, 18 as their average. Yes or no? For an example, we are taking fifth number as the number that has been excluded. Okay. So his average was 18. So this is the minimum. Okay. Now understand this. When he was taken out, the average dropped by what? 2. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. That means the new average of these numbers are what? 16, 16, 16. Now understand this. Fifth number has an average of what? 18. Now when he go out, he took what? He took all these number. So what is the number he took out? Sir, 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8. So he took out 8 number with himself. So what is the total number he took out? Sir, 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. This way you can solve it faster. Understood or not? So this is why, that concept method works. Clear? What is it? Sir, we need to understand that each number's average was this much. One number was excluded. What is the score dropped? So the score dropped was this much. Okay. So this much score dropped means this score was taken away by the fifth number. If it is dropping. Clear? Now, average weight of A, B, C is 70 kg. Average weight of A and B is 90 kg. What is the weight of C? Sir, A, B, C. Average weight means weight of A plus weight of B plus weight of C divided by 3 is equal to what, sir? 70 kg. Yes or no? Sir, if I have to find out the total weight of A plus B plus C, what I will do? So I will simply multiply 70 kg into 3. I hope you understand. Average is equal to sum slash total of all observations divided by number of observation. Yes or no? Now if I have to find out what is the total or sum of all observation, what I will do? Average multiplied by number of observations. Observations means number of things that has been given. Clear? Okay. Now, so what? A plus B plus C, the total weight is 70 kg into 3, that is 210 kg. Yes or no? Yes. Now, sir, it is saying average weight of A and B is 90. That means, sir, weight of A plus weight of B divided by 2 is equal to 90 kg. So, sir, weight of A plus B, total weight of A plus B is what? Sir, 90 kg into 2, that is equal to 180 kg. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, what is their difference? Because if I take the difference, I will understand how much weight was included of C in this total of 210 kg. So if I take out, it is 210 minus 180 is equal to 30 kg. So the weight of C that was added, that has been added in this A plus B plus C is 30 kg. So the answer is, sir, 30 kg. Now understand this. You see it this way. Sir, A, B, C, 70, 70, 70 was given, right? Now, and in this question, you should be doing this way because this is quite easy. Now understand this. It is saying average weight of A and B was A and B is what? 90, 90. So before, for an example, before joining of B, their score was this much, right? Now when C joined, their average became what? Their average became 70, 70, 70. So this average of A and B dropped by what? Sir, minus 20, yes or no? That means what? Sir, this number has been added here. This number has been added here. And the score of, average score of C or the average weight of C became 70. You are getting the point or not? What happens when an average? You add all the values divided by the number of observation. So the total value is being added for each and every numbers. So previously the value of A was 90 kg, value of B was 90 kg, but when C come, their value dropped by 20 kg and 20 kg. Understand this. So if their value is dropped by 20 kg, this value has been gone to what? Or gone where? Because the total will always remain same. Yes or no? Yes. Here also we saw 180 kg were their value, 30 kg was the C's value. That means this value was added to C and C's value becomes 70. Yes. So C's value becomes 70 after addition of what? Some weight. So if I say C plus weight is equal to 70, because this weight has been coming from A and B. So C's weight is what, sir? 70 minus the weight. Here the weight is what, sir? 20 plus 20, 40. Sir, 70 minus 40 is equal to 30 kilo. So the actual weight of C is what, sir? 30 kg. But average weight is 70 because this 40 kg was distributed from A and B to C. Now in this particular question, this seems a bit complicated. But once you understand this methodology, for tougher level of questions, it will get easier for all of you. Okay. See, there is nothing like you should not do this way or you should this way. Whichever way you find it natural to you, whichever way you find it less confusing, you should be approaching that way only. Clear? Next. Sir, average of 5 numbers is 120. If one number is excluded, then the average of the remaining 4 number is 130. Now understand this. Sir, 5 numbers, average 120. So sir, total 120 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 600. So the total number of these 5 numbers was 600. Now one number has been excluded, so the new average of 4 numbers is 130. So 4 numbers, average 130. So total value is what, sir? 130 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 520. Yes or no? So the excluded numbers value is what, sir? 600 minus 520, because here 5 numbers are there, here 4 numbers are there. So the excluded value is, sir, 600 minus 520 is equal to 80. So the 80 is the answer for the separated number. So the separated numbers value is, sir, 80. Clear? Now you can solve this in this, easier way, or if you try to solve it in the, a bit conceptual way. What it will be? Sir, for 5 numbers are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, their average was 120, 120, 120, 120, 120. Now, for example, the number that has been separated is B. Now understand this. After the separation, their new average is what? 130, 130, 130. That means their average has been increased, yes or no, by 10, 10, 10, 10. If their average has been increased by 10, 10, 10 number, that means what? These things was actually distributed over here, was actually added over here. That's why their average was 120, because in the previous case what we understood, B's weight was actually 90 kg, but because of C's weight which was lesser than those A and B, their excessive weight was distributed to with C, right? And that's how their average dropped to 70 kg. So here, if 130 kg has become their new average after separation of B or fifth number, that means what? These numbers were actually added where? In fifth number. What is the total number that was added in the fifth number? That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40. So I can say, sir, fifth number plus added number was what? The average, that is 120. So sir, fifth number is what? Sir, fifth number plus added number 40 is equal to 120. So sir, fifth number is 120 minus 40, that is 80. See, few students, it may possible they like this, or most of you may possible that they like this. I will again tell you, choose your natural way. Whichever way you feel it natural, you will choose that way. Now, sir, average of 9 men is 45 years. If age of one woman is included, then the average age becomes 44 years. So, sir, 9 persons are there. Their average wage is 45. So the total age is what? So total is equal to 9 5s are 45. 4 there, 9 4s are 36 plus 4, 405. So this was the total. Now, if one woman is included, that means plus 1. Okay. Average becomes 44. So if one is added, total number what? 10. New average is, sir, 44. So the total age is what? So total age is 44 into 10. That is 440. Now, here 9 men are there, 1 woman has been added. So in order to check what is the age of the woman that has been added, I will take the difference, because that's how I will understand what has been added to this 405. So 440 minus 405 is equal to 35. That means 35 is the age of the women, because after addition of 35 to this, the new total becomes 440. So here the answer is 35. You can do it this way or in the conceptual way as well. How? Sir, 1 to 9, they had average 45, 45, 45, 45. 10th person came. Okay. 10th person came. Now their average is what? 44, 44, 44, 44. And for 10th number, it is also 44. Now understand. What is the drop in average? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 for all 9 numbers. So total drop is what, sir? Minus 9. This minus 9 means what? This number has been distributed over the 10th number. So what I will do? Sir, the 9 number was distributed. So what I say? Sir, 10th number plus is added is equal to what, sir? 44. So 10th number, how much age was added from all these numbers? 9. So 10th number plus 9 is equal to 44, or sir, 10th number is equal to 44 minus 9, that is 35. So this way also you can calculate the whole thing. Okay. Now, sir, average weight of 12 article is 18 kg. 12 article, weight 18 kg. Okay. Addition of another new article reduces the average weight by 500 gram. Understand this. Addition of another new article. That means one more article was added. Total article is now what? 13 kilo. 13. Article reduces the average weight by 500 gram. Previously the average weight was what? 18 kg. So the new average, it is what? 18 kg minus 0.5 kg, because 500 gram can be written as 0.5 kg. Okay. So the new average weight is what? Sir, 18 kg minus 0.5 kg is equal to 7.5 kg. Yes or no? Now understand this. Total weight of 12 article is what? Sir, 18 into 12, that is equal to 216 kg. Yes or no? It is 18 into 12, that is 216 kg. Now 13 articles are there and their average is 17.5. So sir, total weight is equal to what? Sir, 13 into 17.5, which is equal to what? Sir, we can multiply 175, 13, 3 5s are 15, 1 7 3 51, 52, 175. Sir, 5 7 22. So it is, sir, 227.5. Clear? Yes, sir, clear. Now, sir, here 12 articles weight was 216 kg. Here 13 articles weight is 227.5 kg. So the new articles weight is equal to, sir, 227.5 minus 216, which is equal to 11.5 kg. So the answer is, sir, option A. Clear? Now understand this. You can solve it this way, and this is quite easier. Okay. But if you want to go through that conceptual method, what happened? Sir, 12 article. Okay. 1 to something to 12. Their weight was 18 kg, right? So after the addition of 13th article, their new weight or the new average became what? Sir, 17.5. How much drop has been seen? 0.5 kg drop has been seen. And 0.5 kg drop, that means what? 0.5 kg drop has been seen in 12 numbers. So total drop is what, sir? 12 into 0.5, that is 6 kg. Now this 6 kg has been added to here on the 13th number. That's why you are seeing the drop, right? So the 13th number is what? 17.5 kg minus this value 6 kg, which is equal to 11.5 kg. So this is the actual weight of 13th number. You can do this way as well. Now next question. The average age of father and mother is 45 years. See, we are doing different types of questions. You need to understand two things: how average works, and if someone has been added or has been excluded, how it has been taken out or added to it. Okay. Now, sir, the average age of father and mother is 45. Now understand, father age plus mother age divided by 2 is equal to 45. Sir, total age of father and mother is equal to 45 multiplied by 2, that is 90. Clear? If the age of daughter is included, so father plus mother plus daughter age is included, average of their three falls to 35. That means the new average is what? 35. Falls to 35. Falls to 35. Not falls by 35. 2 means new average is 35. If I say fall by 35, that means what? Previously their average was 45. Falls by 35 means minus 45 is dropped by 35. So the new average is 10. So you need to understand this language properly. Now, sir, after addition of their daughter, that is father's age plus mother's age plus daughter age, divided by how many percent? 3%. The average is what, sir? 35. So, sir, the age of father plus mother plus daughter is equal to what? 35 into 3, that is equal to 105. So, if I have to check the age of daughter, what I will do? Sir, 105 minus 90, that is equal to 15. So, 15 is what? The age of their daughter. Okay, now understand this. This is the simplest possible way. You should be doing this if you are natural to this. If you are not, if you are comfortable with the concept method, you can do the same. Sir, 45 was their age. Addition of the daughter, their new average become 35 and 35. Now understand, their average dropped by what? Sir, 10 and 10. This means this 10 plus 10, 20 number has been added here. So sir, D's actual age plus addition number is equal to 35. So D's actual age is what? 35 minus the additional age. So 35 minus additional age is what? 10 plus 10, that is 20. So their actual age of D is his daughter is what? Sir, 15. So that's why you can also solve the question. Okay, next. So the mean of 15 different natural number is 13. This question was skipped in the last class. Okay, so the mean of 15 different natural number is 13. What it is saying? The maximum value of the second largest of these numbers. Now understand this. For an example, 15 numbers, their average is 13. Mean means average. Mean is equal to average. Mean has simple meaning, that is average. Okay, so the total value is what, sir? 15 into 13, that is equal to 195. Clear? Now it is saying maximum value of second largest number. Maximum value, that can be the maximum one. Now understand this. If I say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 14 plus 15, I'll get what? If I add all this, I'm getting what? 195. Now I'm checking what? The maximum value of the 14th number. So let's understand what could be the value of 1 2 3 4 5 till 13th number. So if I am considering maximum value here, let's consider minimum possible value of this 13 number. Yes or no? Yes. Now it has said in the beginning that, sir, these are 15 different natural numbers. So what I will say, sir, if I have to take the minimum, I can start from 1 because this is the smallest natural number. Then for second number it can be 2, then it can be 3 plus 4 plus 5 till what? 13, because this is how I will be getting the minimum value of this 13 natural numbers, because except all these there is nothing minimum in terms of different natural numbers. Okay, so what is the value of this 13 number? Sir, I know, sir, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. So it is, sir, 13 into 13 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 13 into 14 by 2. So 2 7s are 14. 13 into 7, it is equal to 91. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, so the total value of 15 number is 195. So total value of 13 number is 91. So the 14th numbers and 15th numbers value is what, sir? 195 minus 91, that is equal to 104. Now what I will do, I will use the options to find the answer. Sir, here it has given the second largest number, that is 14. Now if I, sir, take 14 as 53, if 14 is 53 and total is 104, so 15th number will be what, sir? 104 minus 53, that is equal to what, sir? 51. So this is not possible because 15th number is larger than 14th number. Yes, so this number is not possible. Now, sir, if I take 52 here, 14th number as 52, so sir, 15th number will be 104 minus 52, that is equal to 52. So both numbers will be equal, but we know that this 15th number is greater than 14 because it has said different natural number, maximum value of second largest. So 15 number is greater than 14. So now this cannot be possible. Now, sir, if I take 51 as the value of 14, if I take 51 as the value of 14, so 15th number will be, sir, 104 minus 51, that is equal to 53. Now 53 is greater than 51, and in all these options after elimination of 53 and 52, this is the highest number among 50 and 51. So this is the possible answer. So this is the answer of the question, that the second largest of this number is 51. 50 also can be the value, but it has what is the maximum value. So when it has asked the maximum value among all the possible options for 14th, whichever the option has the maximum value, will be taking that. So here 51 has the maximum value, so we took 51 as the answer. Clear? Next question. Sir, in 9 innings of cricket, the average of a batsman was 58 runs. 9 innings, 58 average. Okay. Total score what? 58 into 9. So 9 8 is 72. 9 5 is 45 plus 7, 522 runs. Okay. In 9 innings he made. Sir, how many runs does he need to make in 10th innings to get the average 61? Sir, in 10 innings, his average is what, sir? 61. This is his new average. So he made total score what? Sir, 61 into 10. That is equal to 610 runs. So what is the additional run he has made on 10th innings? That means, sir, 10th innings score is equal to 610 minus 522 is equal to, sir, 522 plus 8 is equal to 530. 530 plus 80 is equal to 60. So the value is 88. So the value of 10th innings is, sir, 88. Clear? 10th innings score has been added here. It was not there in 9th innings. So if I take the difference, I'll get the answer. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Or you can take it this way, sir. He played 9 innings. Okay, 1 to 9. Each innings had 58 as the average. On 10th innings, after playing 10th innings, their average has been becomes what? 61, 61, 61. So the new average added, the total average has been increased by what? 3. This means what? This 333 that has been increased by in all the 9 innings, which had previous average of 58, comes from where? From the 10th number, right? If 10th number in on all those classes or all those cases, what we saw, that when a new number or new family or a new number was added, the average dropped. And why that dropped happened? Because the masses or the runs or the numbers was taken out of those previous numbers and being added to this, because that new number was smaller than the average. But here the new number is what? Larger than the average. That is why the average is being, increased. So what is the addition? The addition is, sir, 3 plus 3 plus 3 till 9 numbers. So 3 into 9 is equal to what? So 27 number has been added to all these 1 to 9 numbers. So this 27 number came from where? The 10th number. Sir, the 10th number average is 61 plus 27 came from here. So the actual value of this 10th number is what, sir? 88. This way also you can solve the question without doing the calculation. But here you need fundamental clarity. But if you do not want to get into the trap of this area, you can solve this in the natural way. Now, sir, the average of 40 students of a class is 16 years. 40 students, average is 16 years. Sir, total is 640. Total. Clear? Sir, after admission of 10 new students to the class, the average becomes 15 years. So, 14 students are there. Now, 10 students are added. Total number of students 50. Average age is, sir, 15 years. So, now the total age is, sir, 15 into 15, that is 750 years. This is the new total. If average of the 5 new students is 11 years, then the average of remaining 5 students. That means this, among these 10 students that has been added, 5 students average age is what? 11. The rest 5 students average age is not known. Now understand this. 40 students has total age what? 740. 50 students total age is what? 750. Now those 10 students that has been added, their total age is what? Sir, 750 minus 640. That is equal to 110. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So 110 was the additional age of those 10 students. But out of these 10 students, 5 students has average age is what? 11. So total age of this 5 students is what? Sir, 5 into 11, that is 55. Out of this 110, 55 is what? Age of the 5 students. So the remaining age is what? Sir, 110 minus 55, that is equal to 55. Now understand this. 55 is the age of what? The remaining 5 students. So if the total age of remaining 5 students is 55, number of students is 5, average is what, sir? 5 11 is 55. So the average of the remaining 5 students is also 11. There is nothing wrong in getting the same average for the remaining 5 students. Okay. So this is how you need to calculate everything. You need to calculate everything. If you go through the concept method, it will be a bit hectic. That's why I'm not sharing it this way. Okay. So you can calculate this by taking each statement one by one.
most of the time you are being scared after seeing the number of lines. You should not do that. You never do that, because we have conceptual clarity. We'll take information as it is and we'll solve the questions. Clear? Next. Sir, the average weight of some girls in a class is 56.4 kg. Later, 4 girls weighing 53.2 kg, 54.6 kg, 52.8 kg and 54 kg left the classes. Okay. As a result, average weight of remaining girls in the class increased by 275 grams. Clear? Then what was the number of girls initially? Now understand this. 56.4 kg was the average. For an example, previously total number of girls was X. So the total weight of the class was 56.4 into X. Yes or no? Yes. Now 4 girls whose weight was this, they left the class. So 4 girls is weight what? 53.2, 54.6, 52.8, 54 left the class. So total weight left the class is what? Sir, 8 6 is 14, 14 2 is 16, 6, 1 out. Sir, 4 1 is 5, 5 2 is 7, 7 4 is 11, 11 plus 3 is equal to 14, 1 out. Sir, 5 4 is 20 plus 21. Sir, 214.6 kg left the class. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, after moving out of this 214.6 kg, their new average weight has been increased by 275 grams. That means what? Previously they had 56.4 kg as their average. Now their new average is what, sir? 57.60.4 plus 0.275 grams. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now if I add it, how much I will get, sir? 56.675 kg is what is the new average weight. Yes or no? Yes. Now what you can do? This is the new average weight of what? So total number of students minus 4 students left. This is the new average of what? So total number of students minus 4 students. Now understand this. For an example, you get a value of this. This was the previous value. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, what it means, sir, if I take 214.6 out of this value, I will get this value, because this is the value after what? After the leaving of 4 students. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So what I say, sir, 56.4 into X minus 214.6 kg is equal to what? Sir, 56.675 into X minus 4. Yes or no? So this can be written as 56.675 into X minus 56.675 into 4, because the distributive law. So this can be further written as 56.675 into X minus, sir, 4 5s are 20, 0 out there, 4 7s are 28 plus 12 is equal to 30, 0 out there, 3 there, sir, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 is equal to 27, 7 here, 2 out there, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is equal to 26, 2 out there, 4 5s are 20 into plus 2 is equal to 226. Clear? Yes, sir, clear. Now, the equation is what? Sir, now the equation is 56.4x minus 214.6 is equal to 56.675x minus 226.7. Now this can be written as, sir, 56.675x minus 56.4x is equal to 226.7 minus 214.6. What is this value? Sir, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Sir, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Sir, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Sir, 2 plus 0. So this difference is equal to what? 12.1. Sir, if I take out this value, what will be, sir? 56.675 minus this is equal to, sir, 0.56560. Sir, 0.275x is equal to, sir, 12.1. Or I can write x is equal to 12.1 by 0.275, or this can be solved as 1 to 1 divided by 10 into 275 divided by 100,000. So again this can be written as 1 to 1 into 1000 divided by 10 into 275. 0 0 will cross out, 0 0 will cross out. Sir, here 11 11 is a 20, 1 to 1. Sir, 11 2 is a 22, 11 5 is a 11 5s are 25. Now 100 is there, so 25 is there. So 25 into 4 is equal to 100. So 11 into 4 is equal to 44. 11 into 4 is equal to 44. So sir, the value of x is what, sir? 44. Now what was this x? Sir, x was total number of girls initially, right? So the value of total number of girls initially is 44. Now understand, if in this question it asks what is the total number of girls after leaving of 4 girls, then it will be 44 minus 4 is equal to 40. Clear? This seems a bit calculative, but it is actually easy. Okay, so questioner can ask you such calculative questions, but in concept wise it is easy. Now the next question. Sir, average of 35 number is 22. Sir, average of first 17 numbers is 19. Now understand this. 35 number, average 22. So total value is 35 into 22 is equal to 770. See, you will understand the calculation. I was bit busy, but now you will get all these, calculation lectures. So it will be easier for all of you. Sir, what is saying? Out of these 35 numbers, first 17 numbers average is what, sir? 19. Last 17 numbers average is what, sir? 20. So the value of first 17 numbers, is what, sir? 323. Yes or no? Sir, the value of total value of last 17 numbers is what, sir? 340. 17 into 20, 7 into 19 is equal to 323. Now understand this. When I say this, it is asking about what is the value of 18th number. See, first 17 number, last 17 number, what is remaining? 18th number, right? Because 17 34 plus this number is equal to 35 number. Now understand this. Total value of 35 number is 770. Out of this, first number is 323, second 17 is 344. So if I minus both these number out of the total, I will get the value of what? 18 number, yes or no? Now 770 minus, I am taking out the both the numbers, so the total of this number is what? Sir, 3 plus 3 6, 4 plus 2 6, 3 out there, so it is 663. I am taking out this number because I have to find out 18th number. So sir, 770 minus 63 is equal to 70 plus 37, 107. Clear? Sir, this means the value of 18th number is 107. The answer is option C. How I did it? I completely bifurcate both the 17th number and I take out the 18th number. Clear? Next. Sir, the average of 7 boys sitting in a row facing north is 26. How many boys? 7 boys. Average is, sir, 26. Total is, sir, 182 years. Clear? 26 into 7 is equal to 182. Now, it is saying, sir, if the average of first 3 boys, that means out of these 7, first 3 boys average is what, sir? 19 years. Average of, sir, last 3 boys. Last 3 boys average is what, sir? 32 years. So what is the age of the middle boys? That means 3 plus 3. The rest is, sir, 7. So 3 students, 4 students, then 5, 6, 7 students. So the age of 4th student I have to calculate. Now understand. 3 students average is 19. So their total age is what, sir? 19 into 3, 57. 3 students average age is 32. So their total value is, sir, 3 into 32 is equal to 96. Now what is the total value of both? Sir, 57 and plus 96 is equal to, sir, 153. Now if I take out 153 out of 182, I will get the value of 4th student because I am taking out the 6 numbers. So only one number will left. So I'll get the value of 4th number. So 182 minus 153. 182 minus 153 is equal to what, sir? 29. So 29 is the age of what, sir? 4th number. And 4th is what? Sir, the students who sit in the middle, because here 3 students, here 3 students. He is the middle one. Yes or no? So it is asked what is the age of the boy who is sitting middle. You should not be confused here. Middle means here 4th student. So the age of 4th student is 29. Clear or not? Now the next question. The average of 60 students, result is 38. We will take each number as it is. 60 students, average 38. Total, sir, total is equal to 6 8 is 48, 6 3 is 18 plus 4 is equal to 2280. Now, average of first 22.
36. Average of last 32. 32. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, sir, 36 into 22 is equal to, sir, 792. Clear or not? Clear. Sir, 32 into 32 is equal to 1024. You will learn how. Okay, I will tell. Now, sir, here 22 students are there. Here 32 students are there. Total students, how many students are these? 32 plus 22 is equal to 54. So what is the remaining students out of 60? Sir, the remaining student is 6. 6 students remaining. So in order to find the total as the students, what I will do? I will take out the total value of these students out of this, and I can get the 6 students as yes or no? Yes. So the total value of this is, sir, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 1 here, 1 will be up, so 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. So 1816 is the total value of this 54 students. Now if I take this value out of the 60 students, I will get the value for what? 6 students. So the value is what, sir? 10 6 ja 4, 7 1 ja 6, 22 minus 18 is equal to 4. Sir, 464 is the total age of 6 students. So the average age is what? Sir, 464 divided by 6. Sir, 6 7s are 42. Now 7 is in the initial number, so I can directly take the 8D option, or I can directly solve. Sir, 6 7s are 42, 4 4 there. Sir, again 6 7s are 42, 2 will be out there. Sir, 6 3s are 18, 2 will be out there, 6 3s are 18. So the average age of remaining students, that is remaining 6 students, is equal to 77.33. Clear? Now, sir, it is saying a batsman scores 92 runs in the 15th innings, thus increase his average by 4. You need to understand this. You need to understand this. Sir, a batsman scores 92 runs in the 15th innings. That means how many innings he has already played? Already played 14 innings. Thus, the increase of average is 4. Now, for this 14 innings, we do not know the average. So, let's take average of this 14 innings is what? X. So, the total run scored in this 14 innings is what? Sir, 14 into X. Yes or no? Yes. Now, what is the average after 15 innings? Now, on 15th innings, he scored what? 92 runs. Yes or no? And his average increased by, new average is what? Sir, it is increased by 4 number. That means previously it was X. So the new average is X plus 4. Yes or no? Yes. Now is X plus 4 is average of what? Sir, 15 innings. Yes or no? So the total score in this 15 innings is what, sir? 15 into X plus 4. That is 15X into 15 plus 4 is equal to 60. So this is the total run after 15 innings. Okay. Now understand this. If I say till 14th innings, this was his score. And on the 15th innings, he added 92. He scored 92. And if I add both these, what I will get? I will get the score after 15th innings. Yes or no? Understand this. Till 15th innings, his total score was 14 into X. Yes or no? Yes. Now, on the 15th innings, he scored what? 92. So, this is the total score after 15th innings. Yes. But here also we find out if the average has been being increased by 4 number. So after 15 innings, what is this total number? Sir, 15x plus 6. That means what? This thing is equal to this things, because the score will remain same. The whole calculation will remain same. That means what? Sir, it is saying, sir, 14x plus 92 is equal to what? Sir, 15x plus 60. Because this number are equal. This is also score after 15th innings. This is also score after 15th innings. Yes or no? Now, sir, this can be solved as 15x minus 14x is equal to 92 minus 60. So, sir, x is equal to 92 minus 60, that is 32. Yes or no? Yes. Now, x is 32. That means what? The x is average of 32. Average score of 32. Till when? Till the 14th innings. It has asked what is his average after 15th innings. Now understand this. After 15 innings, his average was increased by 4 number. That means it is x plus 4. That is 32 plus 4. That is equal to 36. So the average after 15 innings is 36. Clear or not? Clear? So you should be careful about
what is being asked. You will tick the 32 here, and this will cost you a minus 2.5 number in tier 1 and minus 4 number in tier 2. So that's why I say read the questions carefully. It is actually easy. You are making it complicated in your head. Clear or not? Clear now. Last but not least, now arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. First thing, what? Sir, mean means what, sir? Average. And we know arithmetic, geometric, harmonic means it is related to progression. Yes or no? Yes? Clear. Now, in arithmetic means what happens? Arithmetic mean is equal to actual average. That means if numbers are A, B, C, D, and we have to find out the arithmetic mean of these numbers, we will write, sir, A plus B plus C plus D's value divided by how many numbers are there? A, B, C, D, that is 4. So this is the arithmetic mean. If it has 10 numbers, we'll add all those 10 numbers and divide it by 10. If it is 100 numbers, we'll add those 100 numbers and it will divide it by 100. Clear? Now, what will happen? See what we are doing. We're adding all these things which are in arithmetic progression. So instead of this, we can directly write the sum of all the values, the sum of all the things in the progression divided by 4. We can write it this way because this is the total value here. In arithmetic progression, we find the sum of all the expressions this way by Sn divided by 4 because there are 4 numbers here. Or I can write instead of 4, n. If n numbers are in arithmetic progression, and the sum of their arithmetic progression is Sn, so their average or the arithmetic mean is Sn by n. Clear? Now, if they are in geometric progression, then their geometric mean will be what? Sir, we know if things are in geometric progression, that means what? It will be, sir, AR, AR square, AR cube, like that. Yes or no? How will it will be? Sir, the numbers will be AR square up to AR to the power n. Yes or no? Tell me first. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, what we know from the sum of the geometric mean, sir, it is A. Sir, the sum is what? Sir, A 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. It is what? Sir, the sum divided by the total numbers divided by total numbers. If I take out the sum divided by total numbers, I will get what? Sir, I will easily get the geometric mean out of it. But here geometric mean is not calculated this way. Here geometric mean will be calculated like this. Sir, for an example, if A, B, C, D are the numbers, then their geometric mean will be, sir, square root of A into B into C into D. Now understand this. When you are taking the root, you need to understand how many numbers are there. For example, 4. So you'll be taking the fourth root of these numbers. For an example, there are n numbers. A, B, C, D up to n numbers. So the geometric mean will be what? Sir, multiplication of A, B, C up to nth numbers and square root of that n. That value of n should be taken care. Now for an example, if I say 3 numbers are in arithmetic, geometric, progression. Let's not get into the values, okay? How they will look like in geometric progression. Let's say 3 numbers are in geometric progression. For example, 2, another is 4, and another is 8. Okay, they are in arithmetic geometric progression. Now, if I have to find out their mean, what this mean? So 2 into 4 into 8 root. Now, how many numbers are there? Sir, 1, 2, 3. So I'll be taking the cube root here. So if there are, I think, say 4 numbers, that's a 16 was there. So their geometric mean will be, sir, 2 into 4 into 8 into 16 root how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth root of this whole calculation should be calculated in terms of geometric mean. Clear? Now, what happens in harmonic mean? Sir, in harmonic mean, we know harmonic progression was the opposite. Was the opposite of what? Sir, was the opposite of arithmetic progression.
So this number, so this value will be somehow, close to arithmetic mean, and it is the reverse of arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic mean we are finding out this, in harmonic mean we will be finding out n by Sn. Clear or not? Yes or no? Clear. Now understand this, this is a property. Okay, arithmetic mean is always greater than equal to geometric mean. It is always greater than equal to harmonic mean. Now in SSC you won't see questions like this, but in CDS examination, yes, there will be questions based on these properties. And also there is another property, that is geometric mean square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. See, I am not getting into the proving this theory, because you need to remember this, and mostly you won't get questions like this. You may get basic questions in NTPC, but normally SSC don't go there, because these are a bit of high level of concepts, and this concept has not been seen as SSC. But I will solve the questions which has come in SSC, okay, and to build a better concepts, okay. But yes, in actual mixed practice set, I will be adding few questions from here, because I want all of your preparation to be 100% ready. Here I won't add hard level of question because it will confuse you. That's why I'm keeping easier level questions. Now, sir, find the arithmetic mean of this. See, arithmetic means what? Sir, arithmetic means it is the average of everything. So I will simply add everything: 42, 46, 48, 50, 55, 60, 70 divided by how many numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, if I add this, how much I will get? Such 2, 6, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16, 5, 21. So it is 1, 2 out there, so 7 to 9, 6, 15, 5, 20, 25, 29, 33, 37 divided by 7. Sir, 7 5s are 35, 2, 1. Sir, 7 5s are 35, 2, 1 there. Sir, 7 3s are 21. Clear or not? So the value of the arithmetic mean of this whole thing is 53. This is how you will be calculating arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is completely the average. Clear? Now, sir, the GM of two numbers is 6. One of the number is 4. Now understand this. Geometric mean of two number is what? If I say A and B are two numbers, their geometric mean will be, sir, square root of A and B, because there are two numbers. So this will be square root of this. So it is saying square root of A and B is what? Sir, 6. One of the number is 4. So I can write, in place of A, I can write 4 as the one number. Second number is unknown, which is equal to 6. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now, 4 into B, their square root is 6. If I have to take out square root, I will square both sides. Yes or no? If I square here, this square root and square cross out. So it is 4 into B is equal to 6 square, that is 36. So the next number B is equal to what? Sir, 36 by 4, that is 4 9 is 36. So 9 is the other number. Clear or not? What we did? Sir, we know geometric mean of A and B is A and B and their square root, and it has already given 6 as their geometric mean. Now, one of the number, that is 4, is given, and other number is unknown. So what I did, in order to take out the square root, I square both sides. So if I square both sides, this square root will be taken out. So it is 4 into 5, and here 6 square is 36. So B is what? 4 into B is 36. B is equal to 36 by 4, that is 9. Clear? Next. Sir, if the arithmetic mean of two number is 15. Sir, arithmetic mean of two number, for example, two numbers is A and B, and their arithmetic means, sir, A plus B is equal to, A plus B divided by 2 is equal to 15. So the value of A plus B is what? 15 into 2, that is what? 30. Yes or no? Yes. Now it is saying, sir, their geometric mean is 12. That means if A and B are the numbers, their geometric mean will be A into B square root, that is 12. So if I square both sides, how much I will get? Sir, I will get A into B, here 12 square. So I can write 12 square is equal to 144. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now it is saying two numbers are A plus B, which is equal to 30, and A into B is equal to 144. Yes or no? Yes, sir.
Now understand this. How many possible I can say options are there? Sir, we know 144 is equal to 12 into 12. Sir, we know 144 is equal to 24 into 6. Now understand this. 12 into 12 is what? A and B. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. It is not satisfying the condition. Sir, we know 24 into 6 is another option, that is for A into B. That is, sir, what? A 24, B 6. So A plus B is what? 24 plus 6, that is 3. So this is what? This is the actual A and B. So your A is what? 24, your B is 6. Or you can write my A is 6, B is 24. You can write it anyway, because there is no sort of order has been given that A is the smallest number or B is the largest number. So this is the pair, you can say, that will satisfy this condition. Clear? Next, sir, find the harmonic mean of 1, 2 and 3. Now understand this. What is the harmonic progression? Sir, it is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Yes or no? Now this is the sum in harmonic progression. So if I have to take out harmonic mean, it will be, sir, total, because it is opposite of what? Arithmetic mean. Sir, total numbers are there 1, 2 and 3. So it will be, sir, 3 by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes. Now it can be written as 3 by, sir, 3, 2, 1, LCM is 6. So it can be written as 6 plus 2, 6 divided by 2, 3 plus 3 divided by 6, 2, which is equal to 3 divided by 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11 by 6. Or it can be written as 3 into 6 by 11. It is equal to 18 by 11. This is what? This is the harmonic mean of 1, 2 and 3. Clear or not? Clear? Now, so this is how you will be calculating everything. This is how you will be calculating everything. Now it has said, sir, arithmetic mean of two numbers is 20. Harmonic mean of two number is 16. Find their geometric mean. See, understand. In the very beginning, I have told you one property, that geometric mean square is equal to what? Arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So if I say geometric mean is calculated, that means what? Square root of arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Sir, here arithmetic mean has been given 20 and harmonic mean is given 16, and their square root I have to find out. Yes or no? Yes. Sir, 20 square root and 16 square root. Sir, 20 can be written as 4 into 5 into 16 is there. So the square root of this is what? Sir, 4 square root is 2. Sir, square root of 5 will be as it is. Sir, square root of 16 is equal to 4. Sir, 2 4 is 8 root 5. So the geometric mean of this whole thing is what? Of this two number is what? Sir, 8 root 5. Clear or not? Clear? So this is how you should be calculating, or this is how the questions will be in NTPC and CGL as well. There won't be very tough question, but yes, once you understand this property well, I will up this questions in the mixed practice class, so that will ensure that you are 100% ready for this concept. Because if I start with this is a very advanced level thing. So if I start with very advanced level thing right now, you all will get confused. So first we'll do what? We'll ensure that your conceptual clarity is very clear, very sorted, and we can do the rest after this. Okay, so guys, this was all about average. We learn each and everything, all the basics we have covered. It is always about finding the right way, understanding the question and the approach, and solve it. Okay, so that's all. See you in the next class. I hope you are completing the class on regular basis without making a lot of backlogs. So if you have anything to ask, you can ping me in the Telegram. Okay, so see you in the next class.